Hello everybody, I'm Lauren from It's the Kellys, and today I have a fabulous luggage unboxing and review for you. I'm so excited to check these out. They are from the company Level 8, and they were nice enough to send me 2 pieces of luggage to review and give you guys a 10% off code if you're interested in getting them yourself. Now, spoiler alert, I was so interested in getting these bags because they are the perfect size to carry on your bag for international trips, because some different luggage companies like Beis or Away or Monos are a little bit too big to bring on, say, your European vacation. These are just a little bit smaller, which means they are perfect for international travel. And you guys know I have been looking for a bag perfect for international travel for probably over a year now. And I think we finally found them. But today we're gonna do an unboxing and review and show you the 2 different types of luggage that they sent me to see if they are right for me and my next trip, and right for you, of course, too. Before we get into this review, I would just like to ask you guys to subscribe to this channel if you are not already. Here we travel often and pack well and want to help you do the same. I am going to convert you from an overpacker to a smart packer. Just stick with me. If you guys have any comments or questions, please let me know down below. I am happy to answer, and then I might even turn your question into a video. Okay, so I'm gonna link both bags down below, of course, so that you can buy them. But do keep in mind that we have a 10% off code from Level 8, the Kellys 10. And I'm gonna put that down in the description as well, so that if you wanna get these bags, you can get 10% off. Okay, so here's the boxes that they came in. Let's go ahead and open them up. I did kind of pre-open them so that I didn't have to struggle on camera. All right, so here they both are. Of course, they are in this nice protective cloth, which you can probably store them that way if you want to. So let's open it up. This is this beautiful green color that I got. I'm so excited. Green is one of my favorite colors. So when I got to pick out what I wanted, this was absolutely first choice, 100%. I think it is an adorable color, and if for some reason I had to check it, I think it would be very, very easy to find on the baggage carousel. Let's put this one down and concentrate on the textured one for now. So you can see it has the little Level 8 logo right here. I think the design of this is so sleek and modern and just beautiful. It looks like it's totally smooth. It actually has a really nice little texture to it, if you can hear that. And on the website, they call it their diamond texture. It is waterproof, it is scratch resistant, and it is lightweight. Now, of course, the other features on this are awesome. They have the TSA locks as usual, where you just put in whatever code that you want, and it opens up. It does have a handle on the side to pick it up and a handle from the top. And one thing that's really cool is it has these cute little legs right here, so that if you ever want to set it down, you can set it down on there and it doesn't go on the floor. The wheels seem incredible. They have this little Level 8 logo on them, and it does spin pretty effortlessly, at least here on my little travel table. Now, the handle does seem very nice and easy. I am very picky about a suitcase handle, and that seems like it works very, very well. This guy does retail for $156.99, which is a lot cheaper than a lot of the other bags out there that I have reviewed. And of course, you get a 10% off code too if you're interested in buying this. It does come in 6 other colors besides this one, and it does come in 2 different sizes of checked bags if that is your preference. You can even get a 2-piece set or a 3-piece set of this textured Level 8 case if that's something that you are shopping for. Let's go ahead and measure it with my handy dandy measuring tape. From the wheels to the top, it is just under 21 inches. The depth is just about 9, and the width is about 13 and a half. We're gonna open up this guy in a little bit so that you can see the inside, but for now, let's get the other piece of luggage up here and we will open them both up together. All right, here we have the glitter carry-on, and I am not a glitter girl by any means. And it's very interesting because it says glitter carry-on, yet there's two colors that have a little bit of a shine to them and one color that is matte, which is what I got. Now this does retail for $198.99, which is very comparable, if not cheaper, than a lot of other luggage brands out there as well. It is marked down on the website from $269. And it does say that it is not available in the UK. So sorry UK viewers, this one is not available to you. But there are plenty other amazing ones that are. So like I said, this does come in 3 colors. It comes in pink and white as well. And those two have a very glossy finish that make it look a little bit more glittery. But again, this one is matte. You can kind of see it shining in the light a little bit. At first glance, I think this is so cute. I love that it has diagonal grooves as opposed to just horizontal ones. It makes it look a little bit different. Of course, there's the level 8 logo right here, as well as on the wheels. The wheels seem just as great as the other one. It of course has the TSA lock on top. It has the handles on both sides, and it has these little feet, like I said. Of course, the handle seems incredible, just like the other one. With this texture, I can imagine how nice and anti-scratch that it could be, and I would love to put it to the test with a future trip. I know that this is international carry-on size as well, but let's go ahead and measure it for you guys again. This one seems like it's just a little bit shorter, but still just under 21 inches. The depth is just about 9, and the width is just under 13. Now I can already tell the difference between these two. This one has a little bit more of a beveled, rounded edge right here versus the other one is a little bit more square. So I can see why this one might hold just a little bit less than the textured luggage. Now let's go ahead and open them up because I'm so excited to get inside. So I think they're about the same inside. I'm not completely sure, but I do know that it has some great features that I love that are not on my luggage pet peeve list. Here we go. So this is what I love in luggage. I love when you can open it up and both sides are completely contained with either zippers or compression. They both have a breathable mesh and they have pockets that you can put stuff in. And then here we have one side, and then here we have the other side. Now let's go ahead and measure the depth. Is definitely about 4 inches, and if we go from one end to the other, it gets you about 20. Now, what would an It's the Kelly's luggage review be without a shoe test? If you guys have seen any other of my luggage reviews, you know that my biggest thing is putting in one of Brian's shoes that is a size 13 to see if it can actually fit. Here is a shoe. This is the side that has the grooves because of the handles, so this is a little bit of a tougher side. So putting it in like this, it will definitely close, and then putting it in on the side, which is better with the grooves, will definitely close. This side doesn't have any grooves. You put it here, it'll close, and we can put it on the side and it'll close. Pass the shoe test. Woo! So let's go ahead and zip this back up. The zippers to me seem very, very great, you guys. Zippers are so important on a piece of luggage. Okay, let's get this one and open it up. Now this one comes with some goodies inside, which is so exciting. So here we have the same setup with the mesh, and it has 2 pockets. Now, this first pocket is just normal like the other one, but the second pocket is actually more waterproof. It has this nice little plasticky feel in here so that maybe if you're traveling somewhere that you're wearing a bathing suit and you are going from the beach or the pool to your flight, you can pack it in here and everything else will not get wet. I love a good feature like this. Now they did include a nice little luggage tag, which I am so excited for. Luggage tags are still important when you are carrying on because you never know if somebody takes the wrong luggage from the overhead bin. And then here we have this side, which is the same little zipper compartment. And we have a goodie in here, which is actually a storage bag to put on your luggage when you are storing it. So let's go ahead and measure the depth in here. 4 inches and across about 20. So it's about the same. We'll do the same thing on the other side. Yep, 4 inches. Now let's do the shoe test. This is the side without the grooves. We already have it open. Definitely can fit Brian's big shoe. Now this is the side with the grooves. Fits fine, maybe just a smidge shallower. Perfectly fine with one of Brian's big, huge shoes. I definitely want to bring one of these level 8 bags to my European trip that I have coming up. I'm going to be in quite a few different countries as well as quite a few different airports, especially with a layover, and I want to bring one of them. But let me know what one you guys want me to travel with down below, and I will bring it on my next trip. You guys know from some of my previous videos that I am not a fan of luggage that does not expand. These ones do not expand, and I was hesitant for a little bit on whether I was going to like that or not, but hear me out. If this luggage is going to be perfect for stingy European or international airlines, I don't want it to expand, simply because if it expanded, it would go another 1.5 inches or 2 inches, and then therefore would not fit requirements for those airlines. And I know that you guys have asked me tons of questions as to what you should buy when it comes to flights like that. So I don't really mind that it doesn't expand, simply because of the stingy airlines. With that being said, of course, if you do want to get them, do make sure to check out the link down below and use our 10% off code. I am so excited to finally give you guys some sort of 10% off code for something that I highly recommend. I think that you would be very happy with this. I am definitely going to travel with one of these bags on my next trip, and then come back, let you know how it went, and then probably compare them to other bags when I see how they performed. Level 8 does have a lifetime warranty on their bags, which is extremely important. It will cover damage to the shell, to the zippers, to the handles, to the wheels, anything that might impair your use of this bag. I hope that you will consider level 8 for your next luggage purchase. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know down below in the comments, and I am happy to answer. And be sure to subscribe to this channel if you want to travel often and pack well like we do. I am here to help you do that. Thanks so much for watching, guys. See you next time.